Growing up in Detroit, things were rough early on. As a kid, me and my family, we didn't have much.
I tried to look at it not being so different. Like I said, I hung out with a lot of kids that looked just like me myself, but at the same time, with them looking like me, they all shared the same goals as I did.
We were never really a whole family. I mean, either dad was there and mom wasn't, or mom was there and dad wasn't.
I wanted to be the example for the kids that are in the same situation that I was in, that giving up is not their only option.
A lot of people in my family haven't been to college or haven't received a degree. And I always wanted to be the person that like, my younger cousins, my younger brother, and my son could look up to and be like, yeah, you know, I could go to college.
It's pretty difficult, 4 years trying to get a bachelor's degree, but being in the Alpha League definitely helps out a little bit more. I have that support system.
I feel like I can talk to anybody in the Alpha League about any problem that I have, whether it be in the class or just in life in general.
Looking at Alpha League, it's a support group, it's a support system. We're family, we're brothers,
What I feel like Alpha League is about, it's about growing as an individual so we can grow people around us, right? So in Alpha League, we're always talking about, if we can improve ourselves, we can improve our friends. If we can improve our friends, they can improve their friends, and then we can all grow as a community.
Because of Alpha League, I've been greatly inspired. They definitely lit a fire under me that I would say wasn't there before.
It's all about the discipline, it's all about the character, it's all about development.
Alpha League has helped me personally. Just now, I started a Black Student Union at Davenport, and I credit that to the Alpha League because they gave me leadership qualities and being able to speak my mind without being disrespectful and being opinionated without necessarily hurting everyone's feelings, and really being somebody that people in the community can look up to, that kids in the community can look up to.
We're learning about different laws, we're learning about what rights we have, but we're also learning how to respect people, how to respect officers, how to respect authority. Something that's not necessarily taught everywhere else, So something that maybe if you didn't get at home or you didn't learn growing up, Alpha League is definitely trying to instill those principles into us.
Alpha League has given me the confidence, support, and the strength to finish out college strong. Not only get my bachelor's, but come back to get my master's degree.
There's no telling if my academic career still be going on right now. I might be off wandering in other aspects of life, but without Alpha League, none of this would be possible.
I would like to thank everyone from the bottom of my heart for supporting us at Alpha League. I really appreciate it, and I don't even think you understand the effects that your contributions have had on me and all of my brothers at the Alpha League. Thank you.
To everyone that has supported the Alpha League, I want to say thank you. Through scholarships, through education, you have really helped myself and my Alpha League brothers be successful in our community and helping us become role models. I think so often we don't get to thank you guys enough for what you have done for us. We are all grateful, and we are all trying to be successful for our families and for Davenport University. So thank you.